Hello IoTeX community, I'm Simone. Many of you already know me for being an early supporter of the IoTeX blockchain project. I'm Italian, I'm an industrial automation engineer, and I've been working side by side with the IoTeX team for 1 year now as a brand ambassador, supporting the community every day. I want to announce that I will join the IoTeX Delegates program with my project, which I called IoTeX LAB. IoTeX LAB is my way to contribute to the IoTeX project even more. I will not only continue to support the community every day like I did until now, but I will also push more educational content and tutorials on the website to help the community learn how to use this technology in their project. I will develop some tutorials myself, and I will also develop a dashboard on my website. This is to make the IoTeX experience as easy and as interesting as possible for the community. I'm also representing IoTeX at industry events and organizing local meetups. You will find everything on the website iotexlab.io. When I first read the IoTeX white paper back in March 2018, I immediately realized the potential of this technology for the industry. And then I came to know the IoTeX team, and I really was convinced that these guys could really make this project a reality. And this made me want to participate and contribute with videos, with translations, and supporting the community every day. I'm proud also to have been selected by the IoTeX team back in June as one of the first brand ambassadors. I'm also community manager for Italy since April 2018. IoTeX is first of all a great team. They are not only scientists in cryptography, blockchain and startups experts. They are also great people to work with, and they are also contributing so much to the academic research in the blockchain field. I believe all of this will pay out in the long term, as a decentralized blockchain with high scalability and which supports privacy and lightweight cryptography is very much needed in the industry. And I believe that IoTeX network is the only open network that can support this. I hope all of you will support me and my project. Please check out the website iotexlab.io. You will find most of my contributions over there, and it's a work in progress. Feel free to bring your own feedback to me, and I'll see you in the community. Goodbye.